GALA MIG 2300 ALU. Gala Gar as a manufacturer has been driven to develop the GALA MIG 2300 ALU by the need to weld aluminium without penalizing the equipment costs. Based on the design and features of the GALA MIG 2600, it develops 200 amps at 60% duty cycle in a compact power source. This dual voltage 220-380 volts three-phase equipment incorporates a 4-roller driving motor to avoid problems caused by the malleability of aluminium, and it's able to supply up to 19 meters per minute of 0.8 and 1 millimeters wire. Technologically completed with a start ramp to facilitate the striking and reduce the initial splash, as well as an increase in initial voltage in its electronic plate, which avoids the resistance opposed by the aluminium to the welding of its surface layer. It also includes a final wire length control system that reduces the risk of micro cracks and crater cavities appearing at the end of the bead. The standard configuration includes a 2-meter long torch, a graphite flexible wire, and U-shaped rollers to avoid any feeding problem derived from the malleable nature of aluminium. Compact 3-phase equipment, electromechanical regulation, dual voltage 220-380 volts, 260 amps at 35%, 79 kilograms, maximum wire diameter 1.2 mm, 4-pinch rollers, striking ramp, final wire control.